Hi guys, welcome back to another episode with the Day Trading 101 channel. So today I'm going to talk to you a little about something that's really important, and that's for us traders that have a lot of trigger fingers and want to just get into every single trade. It's important that some days that we don't trade, and the reason for that is basically not all the time stocks going to go up. There's going to be some days that stocks start falling, and you won't be able to find any trades in the market. And today is basically one of those days. Like you may have one or two trades out there, but it's pretty hard to find continuation on those trades. And continuation just means like uh, it's hard to find a stock that kind of continues to go higher. So the trend we want to look for is basically we want a stock to be going. Um, when it opens up, we want it to be kind of consolidated, we want to go up like this, and then we want it to kind of hold its gains like that all day, and that's the type of stock that we want. So that sort of stuff won't happen when the market is down. Usually when the market is down, the trend stops, and we just need to adjust with it. So a good way to find out days that we shouldn't trade is the market overview page, which as you can see on direct broking right here. Um, so this is a pretty good indicator right here. Probably this one here, but the ASX kind of gives you a good indication as well. So here we go. So with the market overview, if you see that there is 38 rises and 123 falls, um, that basically means that 38 of the NZX stocks have risen and 123 of the NZX stocks have fallen. So we kind of know for me, this gives me a good indication of how the market is performing on that day. And when we want to trade stocks, we want to make sure that the market conditions are good as well. You don't want to um, just pick random stocks and trade them. You want to trade them on good days. So, like today, as you can see, there's 123 falls and 38 rises. So hardly any stocks have risen, and majority of the stocks have fallen. And this isn't a good sign for traders. Like since we can't short stocks in NZX, well, you can, but it's quite expensive to do so and quite slow as well if you want to process orders. Um, we have to keep an eye on how the market is doing because we want to be able to trade stocks on the way up. So in order to do that, we might need to make sure that um, the rises is substantially bigger than the falls. So when the rises are bigger than the falls, you know that the market is good, a lot of stocks are going up, and it'll be easier to find a good trade out there. So today is one of those days where we shouldn't have been trading at all. When the market opened, a lot of stocks fell. Um, they were weak. They just fell throughout the day. They lost their volume. And so this is one of those times where we actually shouldn't be trading. Alrighty. So that's a good indication. So to find this market overview page, you just go to direct broking site. You don't need an account or anything. You don't need to log in. And you just the first thing you do is come to this page. It'll give you an indication. So yeah. So that's a bit of tips on how to make sure that the market conditions are good. Quite an easy thing. Just go to the page, just have a look. Is majority of stocks up? All right, there might be trades out there. All majority of stocks down. All right, maybe I need to take a break. Maybe I need to sit on the sideline and go from there. So another thing I want to show you guys is um, so like stocks when the market is down like this, there will be a few stocks that are going up, really good ones with news. So they'll start to go up, but the thing is, when they start to increase in price, for them to hold their gains is quite hard. And I have a really good example of this. So as you saw, so today mover was A2 milk. So as you can see, the stock opened higher at about $20 and 10 cents or something like that. Went up to $20.40, and the whole day it just lost its gains and it went back down quite substantially. So this wouldn't have been a good trade for us. And the reason why the stock didn't go up is because there's no follow through. So follow through happens when the market was good. Like with this trade, if you have a look at the trading update, so it's got an announcement out. So there's a reason for the stock to go higher. So it should have actually continued higher on a good day, but since it didn't, it just dropped off all day, and that's due to the market conditions. So it's better than getting into this sort of trade. It's better to just sit on the sidelines because there's basically no follow through in volume. Another one was ABA. So whoever's trading this would have had, it's been going up the last few days, so it's been a really good trade. So it would have just, as you saw, it would have been increasing for a few days, and today was the day that the trend kind of ended. As you can see here, to know when a trend kind of ends, you can see here. So you see a large. You want again, you want the stock to kind of be. So let's say this was a chart here. You want the stock to kind of open, and you want to go there, and you want it to kind of hold its gains throughout the day like that. So as you can see here, this has kind of gone like that, and it's dipped and lost its gain. So so that's a stock that we know the kind of the upwards trend is over, and it's probably likely that the stock is going to continue to fall, just because it had its gains now. The buying has stopped, and the trend's kind of over. So these type of stocks here, these ones here, these are really good ones. So even with a small account, you could probably trade these. Like there's always a way to trade. You can trade here, you could trade here, and next day it might go up, but also might go down. So you need to control your risk. Same here. If it goes down, cut your losses early. So there's a little bit of tips on how to trade stocks. But yeah, so that's a little bit about when to trade stocks and when not to trade stocks. So just remember, guys, that you want to make sure that the market conditions are good to get that follow through. If the markets is not doing that great, then it's probably better to sit on the sideline. And the easiest thing to do is just don't trade. Don't get itchy trigger fingers to use your keyboard and want to get into every trade possible. And you don't need to do that. Sometimes it's better to be patient and do nothing at all, because the winning trades, they will come and you will see them. Cool. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button below. So likes are quite important too. Um, Everyone's going around on YouTube and saying, smash that like button every like 3 minutes on their video. And a lot of YouTube, I don't know if it's a tactic to get people to like the video, but yeah, so I'll try and use it too. Smash that like button. But so smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel. It helps me to keep making these quality good videos for you guys to learn how to learn how to get into day trading. And yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy trading, guys.